This is John. It's what's today? Today's the day before Thanksgiving, 2011, which is just about exactly 6 months after my MIS TLIF, L5S1 fusion, minimally invasively done at Lyerly Neurosurgery in Jacksonville, Florida, by Dr. Garcia Bengochea. Fantastic guy. Like I say, it's 6 months after the fact. I haven't done a video since maybe like 2 months afterwards. Figured I'd wait this long and see how it went. Everything is going just perfect. At some point, for about a 4 to 5 week period, I had leg pain, which was pretty annoying and kind of concerning because it was kind of like sciatic pain. And I had intermittent sciatic pain, but it wasn't really the primary reason for my having a TLIF. I had primarily mechanical back pain. You know, the joint itself was just shot, facet joints were shot, and disc was compressed and pinching nerves and everything. But anyway, so for a period of time, you know, I had some sciatic pain, and I was concerned. Went back to see the doctor at one of the routine visits, and he kind of said, "Well, just got to see what happens. You know, just got to wait. Lots of things can happen, which really are not indicative of any problem or anything like that." And so anyway, sure enough, it all cleared up once I started physical therapy. And even though I'm one of those people that doesn't think that, you know, how is stretching going to help a lot of this stuff, but I have to say that certain stretches, piriformis stretch, which is stressing the muscle that's under like your rear pocket in a pair of pants, where you pull your knee up to the opposite shoulder. I did a few of those stretches and the pain stopped after weeks of putting up with sciatic-like pain. It was really amazing. So I guess you have to believe in doing stretches and doing the physical therapy. So at 6 months after the fact, I don't even know I ever had a problem. It's absolutely amazing. If I do certain bending once in a while, I still feel a little tweak on the left-hand side, which is the side that cut the facet joint off. You know, to enter into the disc space, but it's really going really well. I have no other problems. You know, I'm bending, lifting, and twisting. I travel a lot. I have no trouble picking up a suitcase, putting it in an overhead in a plane. You know, I can bend down. You know, it's just I don't know. It's not a lot to say other than the fact that it's just you know, an amazing recovery, and it just feels you know, I have for a while you kind of wonder, you know, after an operation like this, you have a lot of tweaking pains and things, and you can't quite, you know, you're going through and things are healing. But now at the 6 month point, I can say that I'm 100% confident that this is going to be 100% successful, because you can just tell the way it feels. It feels like I never had a problem. It's just amazing. I mean, it's fixed. I don't know what else to say. It's a bizarre feeling, you know, to think you got 4 3.5-inch titanium screws and a couple of rods in your back, and you went through all this stuff, and it feels so good. So, you know, I think it should be very encouraging to people that to do this. That, you know, it takes about 5 months to get to that point, you know, where you really feel like, hey, this is all good, you know. I think in my case, up to the 5 month point, there was, you know, a little of this, a little of that. You're kind of feeling this and feeling that, and, you know. But now, this last month, being at the 6 month point, it's just, you know, you can really tell that it's fixed. So that's a good thing. So maybe I'll post another video at you know, perhaps I don't know, whenever something changes, which I think is going to take a long time, perhaps even at the 1 year point or something like that. But if anybody has any questions, I've received a lot of questions and whatnot over the last 4 months, 6 months. So feel free. I'm happy to help anybody else out. And I would, if anybody's able to get to the Jacksonville, Florida area, this Dr. Garcia Bengochea at Lyerly Neurosurgery was in Jacksonville. He's a fabulous guy. He's just amazing. Excellent bedside manner and a superb surgeon. Anyway, take care. I hope if you have back problems that they get fixed. Take care. See you.